Hey, listen up because we're talking about the banking crisis and what it means for the future of banking. According to JPMorgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon, this crisis ain't over yet and its impact is going to be felt for years to come. Last month's collapses of Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank caused chaos in Europe and America, with Credit Suisse also taking a beating and ultimately being acquired by UBS Group. But it's not all bad news. Even though it's been a tough time for regional US banks, the too big to fail banks might actually benefit from the crisis. However, Dimon wants to make sure that smaller banks don't get left behind. He believes that this crisis will make banks more conservative and lead to tighter credit conditions, which is good news for the financial system as a whole. And let's not forget about the importance of regulation. Dimon thinks that any new regulations should be carefully considered, with clear rules for dealing with bankrupt banks. Dimon also mentioned the recent hot topic in the market, artificial intelligence (AI). JPMorgan Chase is already using AI, but Dimon reminds us of the importance of using this technology responsibly. He says, "We take very seriously the responsible use of AI and have a cross-disciplinary team of ethicists to help us prevent unintended uses, anticipate regulation, and promote trust with our clients, customers, and communities." So the future of banking is looking more interesting and unpredictable than ever, huh? What do you think about it? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Follow for more Forex news and broker exposed update. Wikifx, a global broker regulatory inquiry app. See you soon.